Hello everyone, welcome back to the show. Today on your daily starter, I'm going to be sharing with you what I feel is the most important thing that you need in your life, right? Like this is the one thing that everybody needs to have in their lives. Hello friend, this is the voice of Ademola Morebise. Hello friend, I think when it comes to living your life, right? You want to live an impactful life. You want to leave a legacy. When you consider all the high achievers in life, when you consider those that we consider to be top people in life, influential people, influential figures, I think there's one thing that marks them all out, and that is vision. Possessing a sense of vision is something that I feel everybody should have. We should have an overall vision. We should have some sense of purpose. We should have that thing that is guiding our lives. That way we are not just drifting aimlessly through life, rather we are living with a sense of purpose. And I think if you check any life, if you check anybody, that has left their footprint in the sands of time, you realize that they had a sense of vision. I'm going to share with you three reasons why I think it's important for you and I to cultivate that sense of vision. The idea that you need to, possess a sense of vision in a hurry. Right. So the first thing is this: when there is a vision, when there's an overall vision driving your life, you realize that you're going to make better decisions, because every decision you're going to make will be made within the context. Right? Every decision you make will be made within a context of that vision. Every decision you make will be made within the context of that vision. So for example, why do you live where you live? Why are you living in that city? Why are you married to that person? Why did you pick your spouse? That job you are doing, that your daily life, right? Why do you do things the way you do them? Now, if there is no overall vision, a non-visionary person made those decisions, haphazardly, here and there. So you settled in your city just because maybe there was an opportunity there or something. You married that person maybe because he's tall or she's beautiful or because they have money or whatever. That's why you married them. But on the other hand, a visionary person makes all decisions within the context of that vision. And because of that, there is a consistency in what they do in their life. There is a structure around everything they are doing. But the non-visionary person, there is no structure. There is no, the things are not interlapping. That's why their life is upside down. Okay? The marriage is in crisis. The job is upside down because there is no consistency. But when there is a vision, that vision will inform everything you do. The vision provides a context for every decision you make. So why are you going to take that job? You're going to take the job in light of the vision. Opportunity presents itself. You're going to analyze the opportunity within the context of your vision. So having a vision is very important to give you a context for every decision you are going to make in your life. And with that context, you're going to make better decisions, you're going to make wiser decisions. The second reason I want to tell you why a vision is important is because of resources. When it comes to managing resources, the visionary person is a better manager of resources than the non-visionary person. A visionary is able to better manage resources. A non-visionary person cannot manage resources. If 50 million naira gets into the hand of someone that does not have a vision, it will be gone in no time at all. By the time you hit the club twice or three times, the money is gone. But you hand 50 million naira to someone that has a sense of vision, they are going to channel that money resourcefully. They are going to derive the maximum utility from that investment of 50 million naira. When you give money to somebody that has vision, wow, the way they will channel the money, the way they will maximize it, you can see resourcefulness. A visionary person is a resourceful person. A non-visionary person is a waster of money, resources, and everything. So if you find out that you have been wasteful in your life so far, it's probably because there's no sense of vision. If you possess the better sense of vision, you will be resourceful, you will maximize things around you. Then the third reason I want to share with you why you should consider developing a sense of vision is because of your legacy. You see, when you leave this earth, what is your legacy? Your legacy is going to determine the vision you aligned yourself with. When you're in alignment with a vision and you contribute to that vision, your footprint will be permanently, felt in time. Over time, people will always fall back to you because you've left a legacy. People that don't have a vision, they don't leave any legacy. There's no legacy, okay? No legacy at all. So when you have a vision, you are going to leave a legacy. It's as simple as that. Visionary people, they leave legacies. Visionary people, they leave their footprints in the sands of time. So these three tips I shared with you now. Number one, when you have a vision, you are going to make better decisions because there's a context to which you make every decision. Number two, when you are someone that has vision, you are going to be a better manager of resources. You are going to be resourceful because visionary people are resourceful people. Number three, when you operate with a vision, when you operate with a sense of purpose, you are going to leave a legacy that will outlive you. I hope you understand this now, and that can guide you further in really taking your time to live your life with a sense of vision. Why don't you repeat after me this morning? Say, God daily loads me with benefits. I am bold and strong. Every day, in every way, I am getting better and better. My name is Ademola Morebise. Thank you so much for taking our time to watch this video. Remember, you can lead a formidable life. Yes,